Hi guys, in this video we learn how to calculate the age of any person from its date of birth. Now there is a function in Excel dated if. From this function we calculate the age in the form of years, also month and days. How much year and also how much month and days. Now started with the year, we listed here dated if. There is a function of a dated if. You need to remember it, how it's working. Enter start date from date of birth, comma, today function, and then for year we want to calculate year, so we listed in quotation y, then enter. Now showing 12 years, its age is 12 year. From different it's down to calculate the age of all person, so it's showing all person age. Now it's calculate also the month, how much month, 12. For example, someone have a 12 year and 4 month and also days. It's also calculate month and days. Now check how it's working on months. Start date, for today we enter today's function, and we want to calculate its month, so we enter ym. Ym mean number of months in current year. It's showing 6. Drag it down to calculate for alls. Now it's showing the number of months for all persons. Now check on days, how it's working on days. Same process for all. Enter date of birth, then for today function, for today date, and then enter months in a day, and then enter, drag it down to calculate for all members. Now it's showing the exact date of all persons. For example, someone have date of birth 15 May 1994, so its age is 27 years, 9 months and 25 days. Thank you guys, that's all for the video.